Okay, here's a brief look at the emini S&P for Tuesday, February the 8th, 2011. Um, Going into today, we had suggested that the 1313 area would be likely good support. As it turned out, it didn't quite make it there overnight. It hit 1314 overnight, but hit right on the dot on 1313 in the regular trading hours. As you can see, the regular trading hours opened here. This was the overnight profile. This was yesterday, and this is today's profile. So you can see we had a nice open there. It dipped down and just touched right on the dot to 13 and then moved higher for the day. So just confirming what we believe to be the case, which is the intraday up bias being confirmed. And looking now for support probably in around 1316, possibly still at 1313, and then the next support down would be at 1310. So market is still looking very bullish. Here you can see these are the market profiles from the regular trading hours only. And here's our software from today. And as you can see down here, we were green most of the day, and then later in the day it did turn somewhat neutral in the daytime frame during this period right in here. So you can see that as far as our short trades were concerned, here's where they were set up. And because we were never in a red filter, none of these trades were taken, because when we're intraday up, as we were going into today, and also bullish in intraday, which was at most of the day here, then a neutral here, and then bullish again later in the day. So none of these short trades were taken as a result. And what we ended up by having here is two occasions we had, you can see the up arrow here. Of course, these are formed in real time here. So we only had two trades today. This is the first trade, went sideways. We exited that trade at break even. This next trade, we're able to get long in here and rallied up and got filled on our second objective, which is just a point and a half. So we reached our first and our second objective on that late long trade, and as you can see, that trade also was in the in the green filter, so that worked out nicely. So just the two trades today, one break even and one with a nice gain to it. And you can see here too, by the way, that this area down here, I just want to make a notation at this, is that when this first formed, which was pretty early in the day, this formed about 10 o'clock Eastern Time, this area here, what it's suggesting, this area in here is an area of support. And if the market were to get down into that area, we would look to be a buyer. And as you can see here, it did come down, test to within one tick. So systematically, we missed getting a really nice long trade here, which would have worked out great. But it didn't actually trigger because of that. So, but still, two trades, one break even and one with a nice profit. So, of course, our traders too, knowing that this 1313 area, of course, was our major support, and we were looking for rejection off of that, actually had an opportunity to get long very early in here or down in here, and then with the rejection of these lower prices right in here. So all in all, a pretty nice day. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. The video that you're watching right now is a shortened version with not as much detail or analysis as our members' videos, which run usually about 15 to 20 minutes. And so if you'd ever like to take a look at our software real time or have any other questions, just send us an email to info@eminidaytrader.com. Other than that, thanks for taking the time to watch the video today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.